Here is our day one of our trip. We're going north to the Alps. We initially wanted to go see the Alps directly, but I see that there is actually a lot of rain and the weather is not that great. So we decided to actually go up to Luxembourg, visit a friend in Western Germany, and then start going south toward the Alps. Now we are near the border with France. We've left Barcelona 1 hour ago, 1.5 hours, and we've taken the highway. It's very crowded, as you can see, but it's going well. We stopped here to fill up the gas and to have a small snack, have a smoke, and then continue going. This is our setup, going with the full bags and the tank bag. We still have space. We've got a lot of food with us for today. Ninja. How are you feeling?
Feeling good. Thirsty.
Thirsty. Let's get some water. We got food with us. Uite cum cară. Da, iaht. Vezi poliția cum merge în față și le face sens să se tragă. So the plan is to go to Narbonne, it's here, and then to Béziers, is here, and then we go up into the mountains. Ooh la la. So we just crossed the Millau Bridge. It's like one of the tallest bridges in the world. It goes 2.5 kilometers in length, but it's when you ride on top of it, it feels like flying rather than just on a bridge. There you can see the toll booth. For the motorbike we paid like €6.70, which is not that much, considering that if not, the detour would have been 30 kilometers through the valley. Unfortunately today it became a bit hot, but it's nice that it's cloudy, so at least we're not burning that much. And the next stop will be after Clermont, ferrand, in the city of Vichy, which is famous for the thermal waters, for the spas, and also for the water, the still water. You can find it in airports and such.
pas. Aici Valentin. Soțul. Iubitul meu soț. Face prieteni. Discută de motoare.
So the plan for today was to spend the night somewhere near Vichy, but we decided to go a bit further north. We randomly found a place in the middle of the countryside. Check it out. This is the entryway. It seems like it's an old farm. It's very quiet. Look at that. This is an old farmhouse that's been converted to a bed and breakfast. I'm gonna show you the inside. This is where we parked the GS. But first, let's look at this crazy car. It's a Jaguar. Look at this, man. Jaguar D-Type. It's with a right-hand drive. Do you think that it has won some prizes? 55, 56, 57. Let me show you a bit around. We want to go and change the shoes because we've been riding since 8 o'clock in the morning.
12 hours.
Not 12.
Almost.
The GS is here. So?
Yes. I'm hungry.
So this is a farm from the 1750s. It was first started by Jean-Jacques. Jean-Jacques was a farmer that was growing apricots. The apricots were being sent to the local markets. Here is where Jean-Jacques was building the barrels, where he was putting all the apricots. It's a very nice location, no? It's very, very nice. With a private garden, small garden, a fire pit. Our room is there. In the pool.
So much pleasure.
Oh, look.
Oh wow. The tree is beautiful.
Numai să nu te îmburzi. You've got a pool, a rowing machine, some weights, a sauna, a jacuzzi.
And a portrait. A portrait of Valley.
The fancy cat. Welcome to our humble abode. It's very nicely done though. This is the living room. Oh. The bathroom. The toy. I think this is an old house, no? Part of the old house. And the dresser. The bedroom. And the best thing. Seems they have all the facilities here. You can play petanca. You can shoot bow and arrows. Pate, mushrooms, a ham sandwich.
Czyli nie szampiniony. Fajnie było.
Plum marmalade with fondant con chocolate.
Homemade.
Homemade.
So, my dear husband, how did you feel today? How many kilometers did we ride?
$600 something. 650, 680.
It's a lot. We're in the middle of France.
Normal. We are actually in the middle of France. In the geographic center. But it was a good day.
It was a very
Not
good
that
day.
crowded.
No?